Hey guys, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Today we are standing in front of this Harris 250 cruiser. You notice here it's nice navy blue fencing with the silver accent boot stripe on the top. You want to follow me here to the back. You just have the ski piling as well as fencing around the motor. This boat is powered by 175 Mercury, probably cruising right around 30 miles an hour, as well as your nice ladder here, make it easy to get in and out of the boat. Let's step aboard and see what some of the features are inside. Hey guys, now that we're on the bow of this Harris 250 cruiser, you notice here on the port and starboard side there's extra long lounging, where here you can almost fit 3 people or lay out. As well as there's storage underneath every seat cushion here, and USB ports by each cup holder. Coming towards midship of the boat, you have dry storage under here. It's a good place to keep your fire extinguisher flares, and as well here, just more, put your trash can there, whatever you need to do. Coming here to the helm, you have the Mercury digital shift, your semi-electronics, and a Clarion head unit, and then your switch panel here, control your navigation, anchor lights, as well as your master power panel. Coming towards the back of the boat, you have 2 captain's chairs. Fast forward, cup holders over there. Storage under here as well. And now, huge, swivel this back, now you have a huge rear-facing lounge. Coming towards the back of the boat, more storage under here. See how big this is. And now this storage compartment here goes all the way to the front. So whatever you need to store in here, you can. As well here on the port side, a cooler and more cup holders and another USB port back here. Like I said before, my name is Ben Finley, MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Come see me. Have a good day. Bye.